The last shape we're going to draw is a challenge shape, and that is a cylinder, but it's not just a flat cylinder, it's an open cylinder, like a pipe or a tube. So the angle of the cylinder I have in my image is essentially a circle, or almost circle, which extends back, and then there's the same exact circle on the back of the cylinder. We just can't see the inside. So let's try that on our image. I'm comparing where my circle begins. I drew some guidelines here earlier because I knew I'd be drawing the cylinder. So there we have our circle. Then we're going to have two parallel lines going back into space and meeting each other where the back circle is. Now I'm guesstimating it's somewhere, it's not a very big cylinder, over here. And erasing my guidelines. I can also now erase the part of the cube that I didn't shade because the cylinder was in the way. Okay, now sometimes I might over erase just a little bit to neaten it up. Now as we're shading, we're going to think about where the light hits the outside of the cylinder. So this area over here is hit by the light, and we'll shade that first. You can see that my cylinder has got a little rim, so I can draw that in last. And then draw the rim as it reaches the inside. Now I can see inside my image there's a shadow inside the cylinder, and that's what's going to make it look 3D. So following the picture, finding where the darkest areas are, and following the curve of the shape. Just adding my cast shadows to my shapes on the floor, which are not very bright, not very strong. And there we go, 4 beautiful three-dimensional shapes together in a composition.